Okay, today we have a Connex 3300HPCF. CF stands for the obvious Confederate flag. This is for Dennis in Georgia. It's just a tune-up report. Over here, Dennis, on the power meter, we have a 0 to 10 watt meter. Looking at 10 watts on high, 2 watts on low. 10 on high, 2 on low. You look over here in the peak power meters to the 50 watt slug.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio.
And over here on the otoscope.
Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio, check.
We'll put her on the air.
How about at 19? Can I get a quick radio check, please? Yes, working over here. Oh, yours is sounding too good there. Yours sounds good also, man. Thanks for coming back to me. You have a good one.